शृण्वन्तो रदने विश्वनोन्मुखैः षड्जसंवादिनीः केकाद्विधा भिन्नाः शिखण्डिभिः। Here, listen. Being served by the breezes, whose touch was pleasant, which were pregnant with the oozing of the salad trees, and which scattered the pollen of the flowers and slightly shook the rows of trees in the forest. Afterwards, they are going as the peacocks raised their necks. When they are going on the way, as the peacocks raised their necks at the sound of the wheel of the chariot, listening to their strains that were similar to the Sadja note and divided in two ways. Sadja, what is Sadja? The 7 notes of Indian musical scale are called as Sadja. Those are Re, Shaba, Ga, Gandhara, Ma, Madhyama, Pa, Panchama, Da, Daivata, Ni, Nishada. Among these Sadja is two-fold of Sudha and Vikrita. These 7 notes are compared to the sounds of peacock, bull, goat, crouch, cuckoo, horse and elephant. The sounds of the Sadja are compared as of the peacock, bull, goat, crouch, cuckoo, horse and elephant. These 7 sounds are as like this element. And also परस्पराक्षि सादृश्य मधुरोजितवर्त्मसु मृगद्वन्द्वेषु पश्यन्तो स्यन्धनाबद्धदृष्टिषु परस्पराक्षि सादृश्य मधुरोजितवर्त्मसु मृगद्वन्द्वेषु पश्यन्तो द्वन्द्वनाबद्धदृष्टिषु. As for these, perceiving mutually the similarity of each other's eyes in the dear couples that stood not so far away and had their gaze fixed on the chariot. When the cart is going, for that cart sounds, the peacocks are raising their heads and listening everything and looking at that cart. When they are looking at the cart, their eyes are as like blue. श्रेणीबद्धाद्वितन्वन्द्विरस्तम्भां तोरणश्रमं स्रजं सारसैः कलनिस्राहै क्वचिदुन्नमिताननौ श्रेणीबन्धाद्वित स्वद्भिर्स्तम्भां तोरणस्रजं सारसैः कलनिस्त्रार्दैः क्वचिदुन्नमितनानौ. Here, being made to lift their heads a little by the cranes that sounded sweetly and formed pustules without hosts by playing rows. पवनस्यानुकूलत्वात् प्रार्थना सिद्धिशंसिनः रजोभिस्तुम्रगोत्मित्यैरस्पृष्टालक वेष्टनौ रजोभिस्तु रघोत्कीर्तैः रस्पृष्टालङ्कवेष्टवौ. With their tresses and turban untouched by the dust raised by the horses and the wind blows favored by, indicating the fulfillment of their desire. Very happily they are seeing that scenes and going and going. सरसीस्वरविन्दानां पीचिविक्षोभशीतलम् आमोदमुपशिखन्तौ स्वनिः श्वासानुकारिणीं. सरसीस्वरविन्दानां पीचि विक्षोभशीतलम् आमोदमुपजिघ्रन्तो स्वनिः श्वासानुकारिणीम्. Enjoying the fragrance of the lot uses in the logs, cool and account of being moved by the ripples and imitating their breath. Afterwards, the couples are going to the Vasisthasrama. Then, grame swatma visrusteshu yayupachishneshu yajvanam amokha प्रतिगृह्णन्ता वर्ज्यानुपदमाशिषः आमोघाः प्रतिगृह्णान्तार्घ्यानुपदमाशिषः. accepting the unfailing benedictions to the priests that followed the offering of welcome in the villages, marked with sacrificial posts that were denoted by their family. This is very interesting scenes. हयंगवीनमादाय घोषवृद्धानुपस्थितान् नाधेययानि पृच्छन्तौ वन्यानां मार्गशाखिनाम् हयंगवीनमादाय घोषवृद्धानुपस्थितान् नामधेयानि पृच्छन्तौ वन्यानां मार्गशाखिनाम्. Asking the village heads who brought fresh butter the names of the trees in the forest path. On the forest path, some villagers are gathered and coming to reach them, and they are taking some butter, fresh butter, and they are want to present to the couples. काप्यशिक्षा तयोरासीद्वजतो शुद्धवेषयोः हिमनिर्मुक्तयोग्योगे चित्रचन्द्रमनोरिव हिमनिर्मुक्तयोग्ये चित्रचन्द्रमसोरिव. There was some indefinable lustre to the travelling Sudakshana and Dilipa, like that the conjunction of the star Chitra and the moon after the mist was clear. Here, Dilipa and Sudakshana are reaching to the Vasisthashramam, and in the time there was some indefinable lustre to the travelling, like that the conjunction of the star Chitra and the moon after the mist was clear. तद्भूमिपतिः पत्नैः दर्शयन् प्रियदर्शनः अपि लज्जितमध्वानं बबुधेन बुधोपमः. तद्भूमिपतिं पत्नैः दर्शयन् प्रियदर्शनः अपि लज्जितमध्वानं बबुधेन बुधोपमः. The handsome king, who could be compared with Buddha and did not realize the whole distance travelling while showing this and that to this wife. They are the Dilipa telling when they are traveling to the Sudakshana, what are in the traveling area, how is there, how they are like as the compares. He is telling everything, explaining to the Sudakshana while showing this son that to this wife. Buddha is the God of intelligence. Buddha is the intelligence person. So, Buddhopama means one who is wisest as Buddha. So, Sattut Prapapayasah Prapadasramam Srantavahanaha Sayam Sayam Samyami Santyasya Maharsher Mahishi Naksakaha Sadusprapayasah Prapadasramam Santravahanam Sayam Samyaminastasya Maharsher Mahishi Sakaha. Dilipa, whose fame was unattainable by anyone else, reached with his horses tied at sunset along with the wife. The hermitage was Vasishtha, who had self-control. They are reaching to the hermitage of the Vasishtha. Vasishtha is the self-controlled person, is that says. The hermitage is described in 5 poems, but what are those? Vanantara duspravrittaihi samitkusapalaharaihi purvamanamdrusyagni pratyutyatsaistapasvibihi stapasvibihi. Some peasants went out from that Vasishtha ashramam and they are returned to that ashramam. How? They reached the hermitage, which was being filled from all sides of hermitages returning from other woods, carrying fuel sticks, kusagrasa and fruits, and welcomed by the vegetable fire. In that time, very interesting for the scene to see. Akhina Mrushipatnina Mutajadvara Rodhipihi अपत्वैरिव निवार भागधेयोचितैर्मगृहैः. In the Hermitage, how is the scenes that was occupied by the Nivara rice sharing, deer blocking the entrances of the huts like the children of the wives of the sages. The sages having the deeds, they are thinking as like their children. They are giving this Nivara rice sharing, deer blockings, and also the entrance of the huts like the children of the wives of the sages. सेकान्ते मुनिकन्याभिस्तत् क्षणोज्झितवृक्षकं विश्वासाय विहङ्गानामालबालाम्बुपायनम्. सेकान्ते मुनिकन्याभिस्तत् क्षणोज्झितवृक्षकम् विश्वासाय विहङ्गानामालबालाम्बुपायनम्. In that hermitage, where the deer were engaged in sharing, squattering in the courtyards of the huts among the heaps of the Nivara rice grains, and were collected into heaps at the end of the day. How much? अभ्युत्थिताग्निपिशुनैरितिधीनाश्रमोन्मुखान् पुनानं पवनोद्धूतैर्धूमैराहु तिगन्तिभिः. अभ्युत्थिताग्निपिशुनैरतिधीनाश्रमोन्मुखान् पुनानं पवनोद्धूतैर्भूमैरोहुति गन्धिभिः. In that time, with this smoke blew up by the wind and filled with the smell of the oblines, indicating blazing trees and purifying and approaching guests. अथ यन्तारमादिस्य दुर्यान् विश्रामयति सः तामवारोहयत्पत्नीं रथादवतरत च. अथ यन्तारमादिस्य तुर्यान् विश्रामयेति सः तामवारोह यत्पत्नीं रथावत अवततार च. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 . . 。 Later, ordering the driver to rest the steeds, Dilipa helped his wife to get down from the chariot and Hermitage got down. When they are reaching to that place, very happily they are digging, and the Dilipa helped his wife to got down from the chariot and himself got down. Both are got down to enter the hermitage. Okay, is enough. Story is enough.